Recording.
Okay, we just left Pigeon Forge, or I'm sorry, we left Gatlinburg, and now we're entering Pigeon Forge. So this is the main drag, 441 through Pigeon Forge. This is it. Yay. Kind of want to go to Krispy Kreme, but the hot light's not on. That's a lot of people at Krispy Kreme. I'm going to skip Krispy Kreme today. I've not been impressed with Krispy Kreme for a while. I don't know about your neighborhood, but around here there's been these little like donut bakeries popping up, and they're run by the smallest Chinese people I've ever seen, and the donuts are so much better than Krispy Kreme. They actually fill the donuts, where Krispy Kreme skimps on the fillings, especially the cream filling. Remember when the cream-filled donut was just amazing? It's not like that anymore. Yeah, Krispy Kreme's just blah. But if you find one of those little, I don't even know how, they have weird names, like, yeah, anyway, but if you find a little Chinese donut shop in your neighborhood, try it. If one pops up, try it. You're probably going to be very happy that I suggested it. It would be, it'd be cool if more Americans would step up and do a better job, or get a job. Yeah, that should be the right word. If more Americans would just step up and get a job instead of being lazy, entitled, knuckleheads, thinking that everything should be given to them on a silver platter, because that's just getting annoying. But yeah, enough about Pigeon Forge, right? More about lazy Americans. Remember, pedestrians have the right of way. You see a pedestrian trying to cross a crosswalk and there's no red light, it's your job to stop and let them cross. Don't hit them this time. That's a lot of Coca-Cola trucks going over there. Geese. There's your wildlife for Pigeon Forge. You got to see some geese. Pigeon Forge is pretty cool too. It is exactly like International Drive in Orlando, Kissimmee, St. Cloud. But yet, the Floridians aren't going to go to International Drive, but they'll come here all day long. I don't get it. Storming crab. Yeah. Because Tennessee is where you want to go to eat fresh crab. Yep, this is it. More pancakes. You can't have enough pancake houses around. So we're going to make a left at this next red light. This one, this one, this one. We're gonna make us a left. We're gonna take the left-hand lane because I don't want to be behind that big old truck. We'll probably sit here for an eternity. Oh. And we're currently at 49 miles on the tank of gas. I'm going to stop and top it off. I can squeeze a gallon in. I'll need it later. Where we're going, there aren't a lot of gas stations. I put a new radar detector on this bike on Monday. If you watch my Deals Gap video where I got wet, it destroyed my last radar detector. I don't know if that was Thursday or Friday. But as soon as, it must have been Thursday, when I realized that once I tested the radar detector and knew that it was the radar detector that was bad, I jumped online and went to eBay and I bought 2 of them. This one said it came from an estate. It was just the radar detector in a box. No power cables or anything else. And it does have the blue lights. And it works like a champ. This thing is like, it is absolutely super sensitive. It has picked up everything this morning. There hasn't been a Honda that I haven't found this morning. But I'm sure it saved me some money because they have an initiative that just started where they're cracking down on speeders. And for a Wednesday morning, I want to say I've seen more than 20 cops, more than 20 running radar on a Wednesday morning. And it's only 9:45. It's 9:45 right now. I've seen more cops this morning than I typically see in and during an entire ride. So that should tell you how many cops are out and about today. But here we are at Wiggles, and I'm gonna get gas. And if you don't mind, hit that thumbs up button, and I'll talk to you when I get to Foothills Parkway. Talk to you later. Bye.